we will touch NeuroGraphica in general. It's a standard course offered by Pavel Piskarev, the founder of NeuroGraphica, and the course that taught also at the Institute of NeuroGraphica and Psychology of Creativity. The curriculum is the same, the techniques are the same. It depends on the instructor, style, language, and presentation. This course includes 4 sessions spread over 4 weeks. It's mostly hands-on, with practical drawing techniques supported by some theory. In the final session, you'll also receive a bonus class. Our main goals are to learn the core principles of NeuroGraphica, practice foundational techniques, complete 4 drawings, each with a short written reflection. What is NeuroGraphica? NeuroGraphica is a powerful method that combines art and psychology. It was created to influence our brain's neural connections, helping us see challenges from different angles and creating space for change. It's especially effective for reducing stress and anxiety, enhancing creativity, releasing old patterns, and building new habits. It can even support emotional and physical healing, as many practitioners experienced. NeuroGraphica is over 10 years old and continues to evolve. It's protected by copyright in multiple countries and practiced in at least 38 nations. It's taught in several languages, including Russian, German, English, Hebrew, and Spanish. Over 800,000 people have participated in workshops. There are about 8,000 certified specialists and around 2,500 instructors worldwide. Not all of them are actively teaching. Course levels. There are 3 main levels in official NeuroGraphica training. Level 1, Basic User. This is what we're doing now. Level 2, Specialist, a deeper, more coaching-oriented program. And finally, Level 3, Instructor, taught only at the Institute of NeuroGraphica and Psychology of Creativity. This is the level I've completed. Meaning of the word. The word NeuroGraphica is made up of 2 parts. Neuro refers to the nervous system, especially neurons, the brain's communication cells. And Graphica comes from the Russian word for a type of visual art done with lines, pens, pencils, or pastels, rather than paint. Lines are the essence of this method. In NeuroGraphica, we use them to express the inner workings of our subconscious mind. A graphic line. This special line is central to the method. It moves without repeating itself, seemingly unpredictable, like patterns in nature, waves, tree branches, or veins. It's not purely intuitive or purely controlled. It's a mix of both. When we draw this line, we begin to shift our mental patterns. We stop reinforcing old beliefs and open ourselves to new perspectives. Nature and resistance. In nature, everything flows around obstacles. Cracks in the earth, tree roots growing around rocks. Nature conserves energy. In NeuroGraphica, we meet resistance. We work with it by drawing consciously, which helps us overcome inner blocks. It's a powerful metaphor for making change. Geometric shapes. We also use 3 basic shapes: circle, perfection, unity, harmony. Main focus in this course: triangle, change, drive, and sometimes tension, used later. And square, stability, foundation, structure, also used later. In the Basic User course, we primarily use the circle. Your course assignments. To complete the course, you'll create 4 drawings, 1 per session, 4 written reflections describing any changes you notice, emotional, physical, cognitive, or mindset related. These reflections help you track your process and are part of the certification. There is much more material available in the course portal, including guides, references, and bonus resources. If this speaks to you, join me in the Basic User course. All the details, as well as an exclusive discount, are in the description below.